girls, today we are supposed to draw pictures to represent 3-digit addition. I'm not sure if we'll do that. We might just use our numbers because sometimes I think that's easier, but we will see. Okay? Alright, let's read the problem. Manuel read 45 pages in a book. Then he read 31 more pages. How many pages did Manuel read? If you ever were wondering where I'm getting these, it's down here on the bottom of here. Okay? Manuel read 45 pages. Then he read 31 more. Okay? Alright. So, they want you to draw quick pictures on the place value to do it. But I think because these are two number problems, I think you guys could do these on your own with just drawing them. So, let's do 45. 4 for the tens, 5 on the one side. How about that? Okay? He read 45 pages. Then he read 31 more. More means that we are adding. All right, let's figure out how many pages he read. 5 plus 1 is what? Everyone? 4 plus 3 is? Okay, how many pages did he read? 76. Okay, once you have that, you can write it on the bottom. Turn to the next page. Yeah, that was it. Okay. Now they want you to add 234 and 141. Okay, so how they did this, boys and girls, is they drew, for 234, they drew 2 100s, they drew 3 1s, and they drew, or 3 10s, I'm sorry, 3 10s, and 4 1s. And then below that, they drew for the 141, they did a 1 100, 4 10s, and 1 1. So that's 141. Okay? So then you just count them all together. How many hundreds do you have? 3, right? 3 100s? How many 10s do we have? Count all the 10s together. 7. And then how many 1s all together? 5. So 234 plus 141 is 375. Alright, I know this says share and show, but we didn't do very many. So we're going to do this together, and then I'll let you do the on your own with a partner, and then I'll let you do the homework on your own. Sound good? Okay. Now, I want you guys to remember when we are drawing these, what they represent. Okay. So I'm going to get out. Okay, so when you see those big squares on your papers, that's this. Okay? Oh, wow. That's this. There is 100 little squares in this one square. Okay? So when you see the hundreds, these are what that is. Does that make sense? Okay. Then you have the sticks, the lines. Those are these. Okay? There are 10 little boxes or little squares on these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's why it says 10s right here. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. And then these are just little 1 boxes. Okay? They're just little 1s. Okay? And that's what these are. The little circles. Okay? Does that make sense? Okay. So, let's do number 1 on share and show. Okay? Add and 344. So if we are drawing this, 125. How many hundreds is there? Isaac? 1. So we're just gonna draw. You're gonna just trace over that one. 100 for the 1. Okay? Because this is the hundreds place, remember. Okay? How many tens should we draw? Ivan? 2 tens, which they have. And how many ones should we draw? Boys and girls? 5. They just have little circles. Okay. Now that's the first number, right? Let's draw the second number. Okay? 344. How many hundreds would we draw? How many hundreds would we draw? Matthias?
2.
For 344? 3. Remember, this is the hundreds place. You draw 3 big squares. Okay? 3 big squares for the pictures. Alright? How many lines are we going to draw for the tens? How many lines are we going to draw for the tens? Renee?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many one circles are we going to draw? Lena?
4.
4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now let's count them all. How many hundreds do we have? 4. So let's write that here. Okay, in the hundreds. There are 4 hundreds. How many tens do we have? 6. And how many ones do we have? 9. Okay, so if we put these numbers together, 4, 6, and 9, what do we get? 469. So write that down as the answer. Okay? Does that make sense to you guys? How we're going to do that? Okay. Let's do, you think we need to do the next one, or can you guys do it with your partner? Okay, I'm going to have you do them with your partners then. Okay? Before we go to partner work, let's go to the last page. Okay. Yeah, you're going to do 6 and 7. All right? Oh, the sentence. No, I don't think we're going to do that. Well, maybe we'll do 7 and 8 together right now. Okay? All right. Well, we'll do it. We'll make it easy, okay? Okay, number 7. The baker made 85 bagels. I read the second sentence with me. He sold 47 bagels in the morning and 23 bagels in the afternoon. How many bagels were not sold? Okay, so let's start. The baker made 85. So that's the most that he has, right? He doesn't have any more than that, does he? Okay, he made 85 bagels. In the morning, he sold 47. So if he's selling them, then he is, so we are subtracting. Okay, he's giving them away or they're going away, so we're subtracting. So 85 minus 47. Okay? What's 5 minus 7? And 2. So what do we need to do? Okay, yep, borrow from the 8, make the 8 a. And then what do? Cross out the 5 and put it to 15. 15 minus 7. 8. 15 minus 7 is 8. Now, 7 minus 4. Grayson? 3. Okay, so after he sold 47 in the morning, then he has 38 bagels left, right? Okay, so 38 is what he has left. Now, in the afternoon, he sells 23. So what does that mean we need to do? Shannon?
We need to do 38 minus 23.
Yeah, we need to do 38 minus 23. Okay, what's 8 minus 3? Matthias? 5. What's 3 minus 2? Isaac? 1. Okay, so how many bagels did he not sell?
15.
15. Okay. Now, all you have to do for describe how you solve is say first, I did 85 minus 47 equals 38.